What's up, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to make money online, how to go from zero to your first $10,000 per month, and how to start generating income in the next 7 days. Now if you are serious about making money online, then watch this entire video, and if you're not, then just leave and don't waste your own time. Now what I'm about to show you is going to change your entire life, so stay tuned.
My name's Blurry Face and I care what you think. My name's Blurry Face and I.
Alright guys, so before we begin, first I want to introduce myself. My name is Luis Antonio and I'm an online marketer. I've been making money online for the past 5 years, and it's been my passion to help others make money online. Now there's this system called the challenge, which I'm about to show you in a few, where we take our students and we teach them how to go from zero to their first $10,000 per month, and then after 10,000 to 100,000, and from 100,000 to $1 million. Now I'm gonna take you through that system right now, but before that I want to show you some income proof. Now, this is not to boast about money. I don't like showing, talking about money or boasting or showing off about money, because I know there's a lot of people struggling out there and it's just not my thing. I don't like to do that. But this is just to encourage you and show you that this does work, and if it works for me, it could work for you. Now, thanks to the challenge, I was able to generate my first $10,000 per month online, following exactly what they taught me. So we're going to do that. I'm going to take you to my computer right now, show you some income proof, and then I'm going to take you through the challenge, the same system that I'm using right now to generate income online. And I'm also going to show you how to activate your multiple streams of income that comes with the challenge. So you're going to want to watch this, guys, because this is amazing. We have over 200,000 plus students going through the challenge right now, and thousands of students right now signing up every single day. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take you to my computer to show you that right now. So let's go there now. Alright guys, so we're in my computer and I'm here to show you income proof before I take you through the challenge, the same program that has helped me generate over $10,000 plus per month and start my own business online. Now by law, I have to say this, my results are not typical, and I do not guarantee that you will make money online. I cannot guarantee anybody's success. It's up to them to take action and follow through with the challenge. So now, as you can see, I'm making money every single week. Check this out: $67, $368, $574, $201, $86. Now ClickBank is a multi-billion-dollar affiliate company. Now check this out. After following through with the challenge, I have made in total over $8,321, guys. Now ain't that amazing? The challenge is an amazing program, and not just me, but we have thousands of students out there making money with the challenge. If you want more information, click the link below in the description box. So before you go anywhere, let me just show you another company, ClickFunnels. Now I do use ClickFunnels. Now I didn't have to promote ClickFunnels to get paid from them or run a single ad, because this is called the multiple streams of income. This comes inside the challenge. So once you have access to the challenge, you will be able to activate your multiple streams of income. Check this out. They have paid me $3,034. Here goes another one, ClickMagick, part of the multiple streams of income. Let me go to payments. Now as you can see, I've made $1,521. Now I do use ClickMagick as well. Now these are tools that you're gonna need for your business. Now if you don't know what these are, don't worry, because this is gonna be explained in the challenge. Now I didn't have to promote these companies. I was able to activate my multiple streams of income and get paid without promoting or running an ad on the company or anything. So as you can see, guys, this is proof that these companies are paying me, and these are only two companies that I'm showing you. There are actually multiple companies out there, but just for the sake of this video, I wanted to make this a quick video before I take you through the challenge. You're gonna want to watch this video to the end, because the challenge is amazing, guys, and you're gonna want to see what's in the back office and how it looks and how to get access to this. So, I just wanted to show you income proof. You don't have to believe a word I'm saying, guys. You don't have to trust me. Matter of fact, don't trust me. Don't believe me at all. Click the link below and go check it out for yourself. I promise that it will change your life forever. Alright guys, as you seen, that was my income proof. Now, I wasn't showing you how much I'm making to show off about money or to boast about money. This is just to encourage you and show you that this is working. I am making money online, and if it works for me, it can work for you. It doesn't matter who you are, where you come from, if you graduated high school or not. Now, we have over 200,000 plus students going through the same program right now, guys. Now, what I just finished showing you was called the multiple streams of income. This is getting paid from multiple companies without running a single ad or promoting anything. Now, before I show you the 4% challenge, the same exact challenge that we all going through to generate income online, first I want to ask you a question. In the comment section down below, answer me these two questions. How much do you want to make? And how can I help you? Now, I will try to get to your questions as soon as possible. And also, by the way, hit the thumbs up in this video if you like, and show me a little bit of support. I don't ask for much by subscribing to my YouTube channel and sharing this video with other people. And so now what we're going to do is I'm going to jump into the system to show you how incredible and amazing this system has been for me and for hundreds and hundreds of students out there. Now, there's a lot of people succeeding, and you're about to see for yourself right now. So let's get into that right now. Okay, so we're finally here, and welcome to the challenge. Now, this is Vic, the founder of 4% and the creator of the challenge. Now, when you first get access to this, you want to go here and watch this video first, because Vic is going to tell you what you need to do first, and he's going to show you and navigate through the members area to show you where to find everything at and how to get started. Now, after you finish watching this important video, which is a must, then you want to go here and click here to start the challenge. Now, once you click there to start the challenge, there's going to be 3 levels. We have the first level, which is the 10K challenge. We have the second level, which is the 100K challenge. And we have the third level, which is the $1 million challenge. Now, you're going to be taken to the first level to reach your first $10,000, and then you will be able to unlock the second and the third challenge. Now, everyone has to go through this. I'm going through this right now. Thanks to the challenge, I was able to generate my first 10,000 plus per month. You're going to learn so much value on how to properly build your own business online, how to either online or offline. You're going to learn about traffic. You're going to learn how to really run a business online, guys. Vic is going to show you exactly what it takes to go from 0 to 10,000 plus per month. Now, when you click go to the training, you want to watch this video first, because he's going to introduce himself. He's going to tell you what you need to do, what the program's about, what you're going to learn in the 10K challenge, and what everything you need to do to get started right now. So once you do that, you go to your training and you start your 10K challenge. Now, guys, this is life-changing. This is an amazing program. I've never seen something quite like this, never in the history of online marketing, and this is one of the best things I ever joined. So I'm glad I'm here, and I'm encouraging you that you will not regret it. This is the perfect opportunity for you to really become a great entrepreneur and build your own business from home and never have to worry about money ever again. So this is the challenge. Alright guys, so I want to thank you for watching this entire video. Now, if you are excited about taking the challenge, then click the link below in the description box. Now guys, listen, we're not here to just teach you how to make money online. We're here to help you become a great entrepreneur and how to run a proper business online. Now, you don't have to believe me. Matter of fact, don't believe me at all. Don't trust me at all. Go check it out for yourself. All you have to do is click the link below in the description box, and I will promise you that it will change your entire life and you will never regret it. Now, I also asked a little bit of support. I don't ask for much by, subscribing to my channel, liking this video, sharing it with others, and leaving your comments down below. Now, if you have any questions, you can contact me at my email, or just leave your comments down below. I'm always answering to all my subscribers' questions, and I try to get to them as soon as possible. thanks again for watching, and I believe in you. I believe you can do this. I did it myself, and it wasn't hard. I just did what my mentor told me. I did what the challenge told me, and I did exactly what they taught me. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.